Hey guys, I just want to take a minute today and talk about forming an embouchure. So I work with a lot of beginners, and so I've been trying to refine how I explain to my kids how you form an embouchure. So this is where I'm at basically in the process. If you have any other tips on how you get your students to properly form an embouchure and get them producing sound as quick as possible, just let me know in the comments. So basically, what I have them do is we start by saying the word M. And all this does is it gets our lips touching. So we say, maybe we lick our lips first, and then we say M. And then the second step is we put the mouthpiece on our face. So we go M. Now when we put the mouthpiece on our lips, we need to make sure it's half on top, half on bottom, like this, M. And we need to press hard enough that we can kind of feel our teeth with our mouthpiece. So M, first step, say M. Second step, put the mouthpiece on your lips. Third step is breathing through the corners. So we don't want to move the mouthpiece on our lips. Don't move the center of your lips after you put it on your lips. So M, and then we breathe through the corners. And then when we play, we should get a sound, because doing this, making our lips touch, not hard, but just getting them to touch, putting them in the mouthpiece and using the mouthpiece to kind of hold them in place, and then making sure that when we breathe, we don't move them and spread them apart. It ensures that when we blow air, it's going to get the easiest vibration. Our lips they respond super easily when we do this. So try it out. Let me know what you think. And again, if you have any tips on how to set up an embouchure for beginner trumpeters or beginner brass players, just let me know in the comments. Thanks.